Hey everybody, Tanya here. So this is, we're going to do the vintage truck. I will tell you that I'm a bit nervous about this, but hey, it's okay. We got this right. And, so I'm just typing, hi Monique, hi Janice. No, it's not Monique. I'm sorry. Don't mean to frantic you. It's not back yet, but I have some news in regards to it. It will be back November 7th. Okay, so this is the vintage truck, everyone. Hey Debbie. This is the most sought out transfer we have right now. And if you are a member of my VIP group, I have an amazing opportunity for you to be able to get one of these for free before you can even buy it. So go ahead and head over to my VIP group. If you're not in my VIP group, ask me how you can get into it, and I will let you know. So a few housekeeping things real quick is, let me go ahead and put my store in here so that you guys can find it. Put it right in the comments. Because in just a second, I'll let you know what my special in my VIP group is. I guess it would help if I actually put that right. Okay, let's edit that. Edit. That's what happens when you try typing too fast. Okay, so there's my store. And some, so let's go over some things real quickly. Hi, Athena. Okay, so let's go over some things real quickly. Is one, if you're just tuning in, please, 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 if you're on your mobile device, go ahead and left-hand corner of the video is a share button. I would love it if each and every one of you would share this video. And so a few things. One is we have an amazing special going on this month. We have what's called our Rocktober special. And hi, Marianne. And what it is it's 6 for the price of 5. So you get 6 of these Truckology pastes for the price of 5. And you can get that right in my store today. But before you head over to my store, hold on just a second, because I need to tell you a few things. Is one, this is the special, 6 for the price of 5. So that's that, and the colors are gorgeous for the holidays. I mean, we have the plum, we have the brick, we have the mustard yellow, we have the orange, we have the mocha, and we have the evergreen. Perfect colors for all your holiday transfers. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2 is I received the Club Couture transfer for November, and it is mistletoe. And let me tell you this, I am so excited to be cutting into this and making a couple different signs. I will be doing that. Won't be today, because today is all about the vintage truck. But we will be doing this really, really soon. So you might want to stick around this next weekend, and check this out. Now, for all of you guys, gals that are local in this area, I have a make and take on Saturday that I would love to invite you to. Come have fun, make 1, 2, 3 make and takes, and for you guys to take home and hang around your house. They're beautiful make and takes that you're going to create for yourself. And if you would like more information in regards to that, hi Wendy, please go ahead and message me, and I'm pretty sure you'll probably find it in your events, because I'm pretty sure I invited everybody local that I know. So, hi, Jessica. So check your events, and if you did not get an invitation, shame on me. But message me and I will be sure to get that right to you. So this is the November one, November Club Couture Mistletoe. Meet me under the mistletoe. Who needs mistletoe when you are this cute? That would be adorable with like a newborn's picture or a little kid's picture. Jessica, I'm thinking of you. So, so yeah, this is November's. If you are interested in this transfer, get with me so I can put you on the waiting list so that when it comes in, I got you, girlfriends. So, okay, so that's that. That's the November Club Couture. Okay, so I said I had an amazing deal going on in my VIP group, right? Well, I am in a contest, more or less, to promote. And I am so excited. And I would love to be able to promote. So this is how you can help me promote. Hi, Bob. What I need you to do, if you're so inclined, is head over to my store. For every $50 you purchase in my store, you get one chance to win this vintage truck transfer before you can buy it. Okay. Now it is on back order right now, so you can't even see it in the store. But you have a chance to win it, before it comes back into the store. It will be back into the store November 7th, but I have a chance for you to win it for free. All you have to do is, for every $50 or more you purchase, you get one chance to win. Now, you may ask, oh, thanks for all the love, you guys. Now, you're going to ask me, how can I get more chances to win? Let me tell you. Join my team. And when you become personally qualified before October 30th, you will get 5 chances to win. 5 chances. Your name in the drawing 5 times to win. Now, let me tell you this. You can purchase the special for $44.95. And then purchase a Ho 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 or a Holly Jolly or one of our small transfers, and that will be $50. So therefore, you got a transfer and the 6 truck pays and your chance to win the vintage truck before you can buy it. So, all right. Now, I've been talking about this vintage truck enough. So I'm going to go ahead and design it. Of course, it's going to be for Thanksgiving. Not Thanksgiving. Halloween. I know. Tanya, don't rush it, right? Okay, so I'm going to cut and cut a couple of these out that we're going to be using today. I will say I am a little nervous on doing this truck, but that's okay. Because we're going to do it live, and you'll see that my nerves are for nothing. Because Truck Couture is so easy to use. And the beautiful part is if you make a mistake, you just erase it. I mean, you just wipe it with water and move on. So, so we're cutting the 2 that I plan on using right now. Okay, so some of you, if you haven't seen my live videos, may be wondering what Truck Couture is. Truck Couture is a, we have transfers and chalkboards and Chalkology paste that are amazing for several reasons. One is, you know all those vintage chalkboards, vintage, wood signs and everything else you're always seeing that you're like, oh my goodness, I would love to be able to not spend so much money and be able to have that for myself. Well, now you can. You can design it yourself. We have different fonts. We have different pictures and everything that you can do yourself. The great thing about the transfers is they can be used multiple times, okay? So, and the chalk pastes come in a wide variety of colors. So if you have a favorite color that you love, i.e. purple for me. However, I'm not using any purple today. I know, shock. I did look up okay, I'm getting sidetracked. Squirrel. Okay, so you get 2 ounces for $8.99. 2 ounces is going to take you a long way. So it's really a great deal. I did put my store in. Hi, Jennifer. I did put my store in the comments, so that you can head over and take a look and see for yourself what we have. And what I'm using today is our vintage truck again. And I also have our vertical bracket chalkboard. So I have several scrapers because I like to cut mine up. Makes it easier to handle some of the chalk paste when you're using different colors. So always write back on your transfer before you peel it off. And what I've noticed lately is when I'm doing several, I like to write what it is on the back, because sometimes they cut to be the same size or close to, and I'm like, ah. How's everyone doing today? It is a beautiful day here. So I do have some of my colors, and I just realized I need to pull one more color. I want a green. I do not, however, have the evergreen yet, so at least I don't think I do. No, I don't. So I'm going to use the John Deere green, the tractor green, not John Deere. So I am using 3 of the colors that we have, or 2 of the colors that we have in the special, the orange and the mocha. Those are 2 of the colors that we do have in the special. So I think I'm going to do the Pick Your Pumpkins down at the base. Hopefully you guys can see this whole thing. Okay. And I do too, Becky. Hello. And then pumpkin patch up at the top. And then the truck will go right here. With the pumpkins right there. Perfect. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do the base first. Yeah. Now I do have a pan of water close by. And I don't have that fancy, fancy laser light line thing. So, of course, I misplaced my ruler, of course, as well. Okay, we'll just use this. Okay. I should let you guys know also is I have the transfers in my hands for the drawing. Hi, Marla. So literally, for my contest in my VIP group, I have it ready to send to you right away on as soon as I draw the name on the 31st. Or the 31st, because the contest ends on the 30th. For any of you that saw me do the witch's hat and the spooky spider web, let me tell you, I still have glitter everywhere. That is evil. Okay, so I'm just making sure all my bubbles are out. Okay. So I'm doing the base in the azure. My craft stick out. Now this is the newest formulated one, so it reminds me more of marshmallow fluff. So if it's the consistency of marshmallow fluff with the formulated ones, you're good to go. If it's the consistency of yogurt with the older ones, then you're good to go. So those are the two consistencies you're looking for. I'm putting a lot on here, but you won't need this much. Fantastic, Jessica. Yeah, I'll be working on your samples to show the girls. So, hey, check back on this one, okay? And see how it turns out. Okay, so now... Okay, you know what, actually? I think it's going to be faster if I use this one. Yep. There we go. This is our angled squeegee. Oh yeah, there we go. beautiful. Okay, so we have the base. Love the colors. Okay, so now I need to let that dry. Now, because I have other things that I'm working on the same one, I'm not going to take the heat until I absolutely have to. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the Pick Your Pumpkins. And put right down here. Yeah, right there. Okay. I'm going to get a Lysol wipe so that I can wipe my angled squeegee, because I think I'm going to use that one again. Okay. Let's see. Okay, what color should I have the Pick Your Pumpkins in, you guys? Help. Should I do it in the tractor green? Or should I do it in the orange or the yellow? I have the tractor green, the orange, and the yellow. Thinking the orange needs to be up with the pumpkin patch label. So the Pick Your Pumpkins. Woo. What do you guys think? Yellow or green, you guys? Yellow or green? Anybody? Green. Okay, Becky, you win. Thank you. Okay. Woohoo! 2 people agree. Yay! So we're going to do the Pick Your Pumpkins in the green. And again, marshmallow fluff. Beautiful. Okay. All right, you guys. So there's the green for the Pick Your Pumpkins. Beautiful! Yay! Okay, so while the base and the Pick Your Pumpkin is drying, I'm going to go ahead and wash up the 2 transfers that are in my container right now. So I'm going to be off camera. I'm still talking to you guys, so I'm still here. But we're going to do the base of the top of the truck in white. Hi, Sean. Yeah, this one's amazing. I'm so excited about this one. Now remember, I have a contest in my VIP group, everyone. Each and every one of you. So, if you're member of my VIP group, head on over so you can check it out. Your chance to win one of these transfers for free before you can actually buy it. So, hi, Cindy. Hey, Colleen. So if you guys are just joining, this is Chuck Couture, and I'm doing the vintage truck for you guys today. And I have a few vintage trucks that I ordered ahead of time, and you have a chance of winning one for free. So by doing that, you go over to my VIP group. And all the details are over there. So don't miss out on this. I would love if anyone's watching this and going, oh my gosh, I love what she's doing. I could totally see myself doing that. I would so love to have each and every one of you on my team. And how you do that is you go over to my store, which is in the comments, and you click on join up in the right hand corner. Click on join, and you can join my team and get to play with all these fun transfers and all these colors and all that. So, if you're new and you're wondering how I'm cleaning them, you take, you scrub off a little bit of the color in the water, and then I put it on paper towel, and I take my Lysol wipes, disinfectant wipes, whatever you need to do, and you, it just has to be a disinfectant wipe, and then you clean the, back of the transfer and the front of the transfer so it becomes sticky again. It, helps with the stickiness of it. So, and, okay, so now I'm going to move on to the pumpkin patch part of this transfer. Hi, Steve. This is what Pinky's going to be doing on your wall. I have The Mountains Are Calling for you. I'm taking it with me when I see Emma today. Okay. So now we have the pumpkin patch. Put it right up here. There we go. Okay, I'll bring down my board so you guys can see what I'm doing. There we go. If you're just joining, please, 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 if you're joining me on your mobile device, go ahead and on the left-hand side of the bottom of your screen, click share. I'd love for you each to share this video. And if you're catching this later or you're just scrolling by, this video will be on YouTube later tonight. So you can check it out on YouTube as well. Okay, so again, consistency of yogurt. There we go. And we do have fonts as well. So you guys can literally create your own font, or I mean, create your own design using one of our mini fonts. I want to say we have 6 fonts. I think that's right. If anyone in here is on one of my teams, do you know exactly how many fonts? Go ahead and comment. That'd be appreciated. I want to say it's about 6 fonts. So, I have my puppy at my feet. For those that don't know, I have a little min pin. And when I'm in my craft room, she's got to be in here too. So she's got a little blanket underneath my desk. And she's trying to cuddle herself in the blanket. She's driving me crazy right now. Because she's got to be right on my feet. All right, so I layered it on, and now I'm just scraping off the excess. This is why 2 ounces will last you a long time. And our transfers are washable and reusable. Hi, Sarah. Congratulations, I hear. Okay. Girl, okay, so Sarah, hairdresser, I have a transfer coming that would be perfect for you to design your walls or put up in your space and have it, you can chalk your specials on it. That's awesome, Becky. Yeah, she won't let me be in here without her, so very, very rarely can I escape and not have my puppy under my table. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love this font. Eek! So awesome! Isn't that pretty, you guys? 8 font styles. Thank you, Wendy. 8 different font styles. All of them are different sizes. So literally, we have a font style for all your needs. Okay. Now, dry. Woohoo! And it is already dry, you guys. Look at that. See? No color. No color. So now, we're going to put the truck on. And when you're layering, you want to make sure, you fuzz your, at least I do. I fuzz my transfers when I'm layering because you don't want it to stick too much because you don't want it to lift the other color that you have on there. The great thing though is if it by chance lifts, you just erase it and redo it. Our transfers are reusable, so it's not like this is a first time or anything. But we are going not to lift it this time, okay? Yes, I have lifted before. All right, so now I need to make sure that I got this right where it needs to be. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do okay. So I'm going to do a couple different colors on this. I'm going to do gray. No, I mean white for the wheels. And then I'm going to do the truck top in the gray. My white is a little thick, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of water to it. Very little bit to start off with. There we go. Let's move this a little bit over. There we go. Okay. I have been waiting to do this. Of course, keep in mind, I have also watched a lot of other people do this transfer. Okay. So I have the white. Then I need the gray. This is Elephant Gray. This is one of the colors that comes in your kit when you join Chalk Couture. Oh, shoot. I did not want to do that one. So we're going to wipe it off. Okay, hold on, you guys. I'm going to lift my transfer because I want to take off the gray because I actually want to do brown right there. Yep, you see me do this live. Okay. All right. So now, gray needs to go here. Gray underneath. All right. Yeah, I'm not always the cleanest one doing this, you guys. So, if I can do this, you all can too. Trust me on that one. All right, so undo the gray, and you can see that I made them. I messed up and got a little bit chalk happy. That's okay, cause we can wipe that off. They do say that if a piece of work is going to take you longer than 5 minutes to do, i.e. like what I'm doing here, have a spray bottle close by so that you can spray down your work before you lift the transfer. you guys are just tuning in, would you please go ahead and share this video? It's on the if you're watching from your mobile device, it's on the bottom left-hand side of your phone. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay. Do some of the mocha for the bed. There we are. All right. Okay. Okay. So there's a few things that I need to do before I can lift it completely off. Need just a little bit more gray. Alrighty there. Okay. Okay, so the bumper I need to redo. I wonder if I can... Okay, you know what? I'm not going to mess with it until it's completely dry. But I will go ahead and put the transfer back on for the bumper. But other than that, I'm pretty impressed. That is beautiful. I think I did good. There's a little touch-ups and everything, but for my first time doing a big transfer like this, and I do consider layering a big transfer, I'm quite pleased with the way it turned out. So I just need to clean up. What do you guys think? Show me some hearts, please. So I'm not all by myself. Thumbs up. What do you think? Frowny faces if you don't like it. That's fine. Y'all do your own opinion, so... Thank you! Yay! It wasn't as scary as I thought it was going to be. Oh, I'm loving it. It's so pretty. Okay, so now, enough gaga. Got to do the pumpkins now. But I do need this to dry. So what I am going to do is I'm going to apply my heat thing. You can do a blow dryer or whatever have you. I just need this top part where the where the pumpkins are going to be sitting to be dry. So one of my girlfriends, she used the same transfer, and she did it on canvas. Did you know we can do these, use these transfers on different bases? We can. Canvas, wood, you name it, we can do it on it. So she did that, and she put it on canvas, and then she drilled, or she poked some holes through, and put some lights through it for the Christmas tree one that we have. Let me go ahead and show you what the Christmas tree is. For the Christmas tree. And she put the Christmas tree in the bed of the truck and then poked holes through it and put lights through the Christmas tree so it looks like it's lit. Amazing idea. I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to do that. But I wanted to do the pumpkins first, obviously. And I'm not going to poke holes through my chalkboard. Now, if you guys are wanting to see this in person for yourself, I will have it with me on Saturday for the make and take, as well as Sunday for the vendor event. So, for the expo. So if you're wondering what events I've got going on and where I'm going to be, let me know, and I'll pass that information on to you. So, do not miss my... Sorry if my head's in the way, you guys. Don't miss my special that I have going on. My contest to win this transfer for yourself before you can buy it for free. Win it for free. Yep, I said that. I said win this transfer for free. You all know you want it for free. It's a $55 transfer that can be used multiple times, you guys. So, okay. Got a little bit of a mess here with my different chalks. My spatulas. So let me go ahead and wipe those off really quick. Put that up there. Go ahead and off screen I've got paper towel for all the stir sticks and such. So if you're watching this saying, oh my goodness, I want to do this. I want to have the transfers for myself. I want to be able to do everything that she's doing. Love playing with paste. Love being creative. Not even if you're, even if you're not creative or supposedly creative, you can do this, you guys. Trust me. I just did a party on Sunday, and my hostess was like, I am so not creative at all. And I let her play with these transfers and chalks, and she's like, oh my gosh. And all these ideas started coming in her head. And she loves it. So I'm pretty sure she's hooked on these. But I would love to have you as part of my team. This is an amazing time to be getting in on the ground floor with this company. This company just started opening up to the public on June 1st and has been going like gangbusters. There is so much open market area for this that I would love for you to be a part of my team. Hold on just a second. Ashley? I think somebody just turned off my TV. Guess it was a broadcast break. That was kind of spooky. So, okay, so like I said, I would love to have you part of my team. Becky, you would be amazing at this, girl. We need to talk. Okay, so I have the pumpkin orange that I'm going to do for the pumpkins, of course. And then I have my my tractor green that I'm going to use for the stems. Again, yogurt or marshmallow fluff is what we're looking for. Okay. How cute is that? There's even a pumpkin falling off. All right. How cute is that, everyone? Hearts, thumbs up. That is adorable. I don't care what you think. That is a stinking adorable, right? Am I right? Okay. Well, that is my creation for today. Thank you, Janice. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. And if you missed part of this, I will have this back on my, hi, Tara. I will have this on my YouTube channel. And I will have it also in my VIP group. Please, please, please go check out my deal. You can get this transfer before you can buy it for free. So don't miss out on that. You can get your chance to win it for free. And so I encourage all of you to go check out the special in my, or how you can do this in my VIP group. And we will talk at y'all later. Hit me up if you have any questions or want to know anything more about the company. I would love for any of you to join my team. Thanks all. It's been great. Have a good day. Bye.